In this video, we will show how you can connect your Office 365 to DocBits for automatic email import. To connect your Microsoft account, go to Settings, and under Settings, go to Import. Here you go to Email Import and click on the New button. A window will open where you have to set the protocol to Authenticate Office 365. Then click on Authenticate. A new tab will open, but you have to first go back to DocBits and copy the code and paste it in the other tab. Then you need to log into your Microsoft account. When you finish the login, go back to DocBits and click on Finish Authentication. Then you can close the window, and if you refresh the page, your email should appear. When you now edit the connection, you can choose the folders you want to import into DocBits. If you have further questions, feel free to check our YouTube channel or reach out to us directly via our support team.